Hello everybody, let's start our simple square blanket. Taking your yarn and let's chain 6. So that's a starting stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's make a circle joining to the first chain with a slip stitch. Now, to make my life a little bit easier for later, I'm gonna take both tails to do the first round. Let's chain 1 and 2 double crochet, so that's first. And that's the second one. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 3. This chain is gonna become our corner, and 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Now let's chain 3 and last 3 double crochet of this round. So 1, 2 and 3. So before joining the round, which we're gonna do just in here, we need to do 3 chains for the last corner. Now slip stitch into the first chain, and 1, 2 chains. Let's turn our work over, and into the first space we're doing 2 double crochet, three chains to make our corner, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. And now, without making a chain, let's go into the next space with 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now let's make our 3 chains for the corner. 1, 2 and 3, and 3 double crochets to the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Now, without making chain, let's jump to other space and 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 3 for our corner. 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet to the same space. 1, 2 and 3. In next space 3 double crochet without chaining. 1, 2 and 3. 3 chains for our corner and 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. And now without chaining, we have to make a slip stitch into the first chain of this row, like this. Yeah? So now we have to chain 2, turn our work around, and in the same space we doing 2 double crochet and 2. Now without chaining, we're doing 3 double crochet into the next space. One, 2 and 3. 3 chains for our corner and 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Jump to the next space, 3 double crochet, and jump into the next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 for our corner and 3 double crochet into the same space. So as you see, we are chaining 3 only into the corner. We're jumping from the space to the space, and everywhere is going double crochet. This pattern is very easy. You can use any kind of wool and crochet hook which is fitting up to the wool type. You can change the colors just on a slip stitch of ending the row, so you can make it nice and colorful. You can do whatever you like, because this blanket is so easy that I even taught it to my 9-year-old daughter. I'm just gonna finish up this row and I'm gonna show you the result of my own work with this pattern. So as you see, I'm finishing 3 double crochet, I'm jumping to the next space and I'm doing another 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Jumping to the next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. We have to chain 3 for our corner. 1, 2 and 3. Now without chaining, we're making a slip stitch to the first chain of this row. And that's it. You can go and on and on and on as much as you like. Let me straighten it up a bit so you can see the result. And that's the blanket which I made recently. It's baby blanket from actually scraps of wool.